Want to automatically turn any RSS feed, website, or social media profile into a single summary? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate an AI summary from any source using RSS.app. Start by opening your RSS feed or any web page you want to summarize. Then, copy the URL and go to RSS.app. Paste it into the RSS generator and click Generate. RSS app will extract the latest posts and turn them into a structured feed that updates automatically according to your plan's refresh rate. Save the feed. Now, toggle the AI Brief button on the right-hand side and click Generate. AI Brief creates a single summary from multiple posts in your feed. To customize your summary, open the AI Brief tab. Choose a model, basic, standard, or advanced. Stronger models use more credits, but give higher quality output. You can see your remaining credits at the top of the tab. Then choose a personality, depending on what you want, like an executive summary or something more playful. Select a format, a brief with key stories, just the headlines, a summary in paragraphs, or a digest. You can also use a custom prompt to define exactly how you want the summary to be written. In Options, you can adjust how many articles are included in each summary and what language it's generated in. Click Regenerate to update your current summary with new settings. If you don't want to generate summaries manually every time, you can schedule an AI brief to run automatically each day, depending on whether there are new posts or not. The Show AI Brief as Feed Output option is enabled automatically. This means, instead of posts from the source page, your feed will display the AI brief. That means you can display brief as a widget on your website, or forward new briefs automatically to Discord, Telegram, Slack, email, or even your own custom webhooks. That's it. You've turned any web page into a single AI-powered summary that can be delivered anywhere you and your team work. Try it today with RSS.app.